Let's take a look at your LT6 assignment part 2. Once again, don't forget your name. On question number 4, we're told angle 2 and angle 3 are complementary, so we know they add to 90. We're told angle 1 is congruent to angle 4. And we're told that the measure of angle 2 is 28 degrees. Well, we can find the measure of angle 3 because we know they're complementary. So in other words, we know that angle 3 is going to be 90 minus 28, which 90 minus 28 is 62 degrees. Put my work for the answer instead of the correct answer. So we're going to change the measure of angle 3 is supposed to be 62 degrees. Don't go by what's in red on this one. Okay, then I want to find the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 4. Well, the measure of angle 1 equals the measure of angle 4. Now, how do I figure those out? Well, remember, this is 90 degrees. So in other words, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 4 plus 90 makes a straight line, makes 180 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 would have to be 45. And there we have it. So 3 is 62 degrees and 4 is 45 degrees. Okay, if we take a look at number 2 here, we know angle 2 and angle 4, they're supplementary. So I know 2 plus 4 makes 180. I know 5 and 4 are supplementary. And I'm given the measure of angle 4. So in other words, I know the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 5 equals 180 degrees. And we know angle 4 is 105 degrees. Wow. Equals 180. So that tells me the measure of angle 5 is going to be 75 degrees. Because we know 105 plus 75 gives us 180. Now, I would need to find, well, let's write down what we have here. So we know the angle 4 is 105. We know angle 5 is 75 degrees. Now I want to go back and I want to find 2 and 3, but I know 2 and 4 are supplementary. So I know the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 4 equals 180. Well, and I know angle 2, I don't know angle 2, but I know angle 4 is 105. So just like angle 5, the measure of angle 2 is going to be 75 degrees. And then the measure of angle 3 would be 105 because we know 75 plus 105 makes 180 degrees. And that's how we get those answers. Now on question number 6, I've got vertical angles here. Since the vertical angles, I know angle 3 equals the measure of angle 4. So in other words, 2x minus 21 equals 3x minus 34. And then to solve for x, well, let's subtract 2x from both sides. At the same time, we're going to add 34. So then, let me see, 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So x is 13. I don't want x. I want to find the measure of angle 3 or the measure of angle 4. So let's do the angle 3. So I'll take 2 times x, but x is 13, minus 21. So 2 times 13 is 26, minus 21. That makes x is 5. Not 5. The measure of angle 3 is 5, which be the measure of angle 4.